The automation track is one of the greatest maps in BeamNG. It offers a full race circuit, a rally stage, and a long highway, winding hill roads, and even a gas station. However, there's one detail in this map that really caught my attention: the power distribution system, and honestly, it seems to be broken. Let me explain. Logically, the main power source for this map should be the hydroelectric dam, but when you take a closer look, the high voltage power lines leaving the dam don't actually connect to anything. They simply run towards the edge of the map and stop. In other words, they lead nowhere. Next, we have the street power lines that run across the map from one corner to the other. At first glance, they look complete, but once again, both ends are disconnected, meaning this entire line has no power source at all. Then there are wooden distribution poles that branch from the street lines to supply electricity to the infrastructure. The good news is that these poles are correctly connected to the street network. The bad news is that many buildings still don't have any connections. For example, the hydroelectric caffeine company at the top of this mountain and the isolated church both appear to have no electricity supply. So, a simple solution could solve most of this. If the high voltage lines from the dam were connected to the street network through a transformer, a major part of the issue would be fixed. Adding new distribution lines to remote locations would complete the entire power grid. So, this raises an interesting question. Should the automation test track actually have a functional power network, or should it remain unpowered? What do you think?